Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you free 95 OVR Toni Kroos how to play an of an era challenge in FC Mobile. Before we start, I made this video for beginner new into this game, still confused how you can challenge the event, how you can complete the quest so you can get ton of reward from this game. So let's get started. As you can see, this is the exchange feature. There are 3 players that you can get: Reus, Thiago Silva, Muniain. So beside these 3 players, there's also 2 players that come for free if you win the event. So let's get started. Let's get back and go to jump into challenge mode. So this is the challenge mode, Toni Kroos, end of an era. So you can get 95 OVR central midfielder Toni Kroos, legendary player from Germany. He got 5 traits: ball roll, skill move, big fist pump celebration, long passer traits, long shot taker, and also playmaker. He is kinda deep lying playmaker or advanced playmaker in real life. So you can get Toni Kroos for free, and also you get 750 gems by entry this challenge. The condition: line up minimum is 65 OVR. Just tap this entry. So there is a total 3 game here, the 3 match game. The first one, quarter final, you can get 250 gem. If you win, you can promote into semifinals, you can get 500 gem, and the finals, if you win the match, you will get Toni Kroos. So please feel to try, challenge yourself in this end of an era event. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so click the next button below. See you in the next video.